Namaste, I'm Dr. Vidya. I'm a practitioner of Ayurveda and functional medicine. And today we're discussing a very important topic, heavy metals in Ayurveda. There are no heavy metals in Ayurveda, but the topic is about the myth. So this is most misunderstood topic, and this is not about a debate or a controversy, but it's about clarity, context, and evidence. So that's what we're going to be talking today. And why is there a confusion? I've been hearing this since my student days. So over the years, headlines have raised concerns about heavy metals in certain Ayurvedic formulations, but many of these discussions lacked a context. So Ayurveda does not use raw metals. So toxicity cases often came from unregulated, adulterated, or improperly manufactured products, not authentic classical formulations. And most importantly, heavy metal exposure is not unique to Ayurveda. It exists in everyday sources, often goes unnoticed, right? So today we'll break this down clearly. Okay, so what Ayurveda actually uses. So let's talk about it. Ayurveda uses certain mineral preparations called the bhasma, but these are not crude metals. These are not the crude metals. Okay, so they undergo a detailed purification and processing method, including, it's called in Sanskrit as shodhana, which is purification. Detoxification is called marana or calcination, and then it is transformed. The transformation happens with amritikarana, enhancing safety and therapeutic value. So modern research shows that many bhasmas may contain nano-sized biocompatible particles, very different from toxic heavy metal forms, which you see in pollution or maybe industrial waste. So the form, the processing, the dosage matter a lot, just like they do in any medical science. Okay, so Ayurveda has, of course, a lot of safety protocols, which are all built in. And what many people don't know is that Ayurveda has always emphasized correct dosage. It's very important. And the right patient selection and suitable timing, specific vehicle, which we call it as Anupana in Ayurveda, and avoiding long-term use unless supervised by an Ayurvedic physician who is certified. And this makes Ayurveda system a built-in pharmacovigilance long before the term existed. Of course, just like many antibiotics, steroids, and other Ayurvedic mineral formulations should only be used under professional supervision, under a physician who knows what it is and is a certified, qualified Ayurvedic doctor. By the way, heavy metals exist everywhere, right around us, right? So we are all exposed to it every day, and it's not just limited to Ayurveda. To be non-biased, it's there in food in the form of arsenic, leafy vegetables. There's lead in it. Seafood and chocolates have cadmium and lead in it. And then even baby formula, has arsenic, which comes from rice. And cosmetic lipsticks have lead, heavy metal. The skin brightening creams have mercury in it. And also water. The old pipes, contaminated groundwater, and then air pollution. Everybody knows about it, especially in urban environments. Tea and your coffee also depends on the soil quality. Even certain conventional medicines such as antacids, dental fillings, also sometimes vaccines, your adjuvants, many trace metals are all within regulated limits, of course, for safety. But the conversation is not Ayurveda versus any modern medicine. No, I'm not into it at all. The real question is, how do we ensure safety regulation? So that's important. It's not about any controversy. I'm not pulling anybody into this. But actually, what I'm trying to tell you is just breaking the myth. That's it. Let's talk about regulation. Let's talk about the best practices. Today, high quality Ayurvedic medicines are produced in GMP certified facilities, tested for purity, microbial safety, and heavy metal limits. So standardizations using analytical tools like ICP-MS, XRD, SCM, and FTIR. And as practitioners, our responsibility is to use trusted certified brands. Please do that and follow classical guidelines. Monitor patients when needed. Educate the public about it very responsibly. So I think I covered most of the topics. But finally, I'm just reflecting upon one thing. Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old healing science with incredible clinical wisdom. Like any medical tradition, whether Western, herbal, or integrative, safety, science, and supervision matter a lot. Okay, so heavy metals are a global environmental issue, and the solution is not fear but awareness, quality control, and education. I think I covered most of it. So if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like more evidence, any evidence-based content on Ayurveda, nutrition, integrative health, please leave a comment below with your questions, and I'll be very, very happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and may you always live in balance. Namaste.